Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor Live Page Builder for WordPress. This powerful tool allows you to create stunning web pages visually without touching a single line of code, making it perfect for anyone looking to design professional-looking pages quickly and intuitively. First, you'll need to head over to your WordPress website dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various menu options, click on Pages, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select All Pages. This will show you a complete list of all the pages currently on your website. Now locate the page you want to edit, and you'll notice an option that says Edit with Elementor. Click on this button, and it will launch the Elementor interface, opening up a whole new world of design possibilities. The page will load in the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. You'll see your page content displayed in the center of the screen, and a left panel filled with various widgets and options ready for use. On the left panel, you'll find a collection of widgets that represent different elements you can add to your page. These include headings, text blocks, images, buttons, and much more. To start building your page, simply drag and drop any widget you need onto the blank page area. For example, if you want to add a heading, click on the heading widget, hold it, and drag it to wherever you want it positioned on your page. The drag and drop functionality makes the entire process smooth and intuitive, allowing you to visualize your design in real time. Once you've added a widget to your page, you can customize it to match your vision. Click directly on any element you've placed on the page, and the left panel will immediately update to show you customization options specific to that element. Here you can edit the content itself, such as changing the text of a heading or the source of an image. You'll also find style options where you can adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and more. Additionally, the layout settings let you control positioning, alignment, and responsiveness across different devices. The beauty of Elementor's Live Page Builder is that every change you make appears instantly on the page preview, giving you complete control over how your final design will look. You can continue adding widgets, rearranging elements, and fine-tuning every detail until your page looks exactly the way you want it. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Elementor Live Page Builder to create beautiful custom pages for your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.